How you going? It's Richard from Offroad Touring Life, and today I'm just outside Kevington in the Victorian High Country. We turned off the Jamieson Woods Point Road and we're just heading up to this historical marker. It's only a short 530 metre return walk in. Apparently there's some old relics and things in there from yesteryear, so we're about to wander in and go check it out. Okay, so I'm just standing right now at the old township of Kevington. It was known back then as Max Creek. Back in 1862, it says on here that the population was approximately 145 people, and at the time there was 5 hotels in the area, later becoming the Poplar Hotel, and then later after that becoming known as the Kevington Hotel. So the location was also known as Little Switzerland, after a number of Italian-speaking Swiss who worked on the mines and built businesses here, and a Swiss flag was even flown at the Star of the West mine. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to make our way up behind me there. There's a short walking track up through there, and we'll go see what's up there. I believe there's some old relics and things, so we'll head up there now and check it out. So this is what I mentioned earlier about some of the old things that are lying around up in the bush up here. Now on the way up here, we just stopped here and we're just having a bit of a look around, and there's a lyrebird not too far away. He didn't seem too bothered by us being here, then he shot off up into the bush there. I'm just going to continue on a little bit and see what else there is. So just come across these footings here. So there's one here, there's a couple over the other side, just behind me there. It's a bit of a level spot where I'm actually sitting just here, so I reckon there might have been a building or a pub or something here. Just over the other side there, which I'll show you in a moment, it's like a big box, maybe it was part of a furnace or something like that. But yeah, there's lots of little things just sort of scattered around the area, just sort of left, you know, randomly around the place. So we'll keep seeing what else other little treasures we can find. Okay, so myself and Maisie are going to wrap this trip up now. We're just on the banks of the Goulburn River. Now last night we camped just up at Skipworth. Not far from here is only a couple of kilometres is where we just went on that video that you've just watched. Now if you have liked what you've seen, please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to go through any of our past videos and check out other places that we go to and check out. Or if you've got any ideas or anywhere you'd like us to visit, please also pop that down in the comments section down below. and we'll be sure to check it out. Any questions about our setup or camping trips or anything like that, again, comment down below. And we will see you next time on one of our trips out and about. Thanks for watching. Cheers.